The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, harbors an astonishing array of life forms, about 10% of the world's known species, including plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms. Its biodiversity is unparalleled, with new species being discovered regularly. This unexplored diversity is partly due to the forest's immense size and its complex, layered structure. The rainforest's dense canopy creates a multitude of microhabitats, from the forest floor to the upper canopy. This vertical stratification supports a rich tapestry of life, where species adapt to different layers and niches. For instance, while the forest floor is home to many insects and decomposers, the canopy is teeming with birds, monkeys, and insects that rarely descend to the ground. This vertical complexity, combined with the dense vegetation, makes accessing and studying different layers of the forest challenging. Moreover, the Amazon's sheer scale, covering over 5.5 million square kilometers, means that many areas remain unexplored or inaccessible. Remote regions, particularly those that are difficult to reach or are located in areas with harsh conditions, may harbor undiscovered species. The continuous discovery of new species, from microscopic organisms to large mammals, underscores the forest's vast, untapped potential for scientific research. Additionally, many species are cryptic or elusive, making them difficult to spot and identify. For example, some frogs and insects have evolved to blend seamlessly with their surroundings, while others are active during brief, specific periods, such as during rainfall or twilight. Researchers often rely on advanced technologies, such as camera traps, drones, and environmental DNA sampling, to detect and document these hidden species. The rapid pace of deforestation and habitat destruction in the Amazon further complicates efforts to explore and document its diversity. As rainforests are cleared for agriculture, mining, and infrastructure development, the loss of habitat not only threatens known species, but also risks the extinction of yet-to-be-discovered ones. This urgent situation highlights the importance of conservation efforts to protect this vital ecosystem and its myriad inhabitants before they are lost forever. The Amazon rainforest has long been shrouded in mystery regarding its early human inhabitants. Recent archaeological discoveries have shed light on the sophisticated and complex societies that once thrived in this vast and seemingly impenetrable environment. Contrary to earlier beliefs that pre-Columbian civilizations were limited to the Andean highlands or the Mesoamerican region, evidence now suggests that advanced cultures also flourished deep within the Amazon basin. One of the most striking revelations is the existence of extensive earthworks and monumental structures. For example, researchers have uncovered massive geometric earthworks, known as in the Amazonian region of Brazil. These structures, which include large geometric shapes and intricate designs, are believed to have been constructed by indigenous groups for ceremonial and cultural purposes. Their scale and complexity challenge previous assumptions about the technological capabilities and social organization of these ancient peoples. Another remarkable discovery is the network of ancient roads and causeways. Archaeologists have identified sophisticated transportation networks, including raised causeways and complex irrigation systems, which indicate a high level of engineering skill. These infrastructure projects facilitated trade and communication across vast distance, connecting different communities and regions within the rainforest. The extensive use of raised fields and terraces for agriculture suggests that these civilizations were adept at managing and modifying their environment to support large populations. Additionally, evidence of terra preta, or black earth, reveals that ancient Amazonian societies practiced advanced forms of soil management. Terra preta is a highly fertile, dark-colored soil created by the addition of organic matter, including charcoal, bone, and other waste materials. This soil not only enhanced agricultural productivity, but also demonstrated a deep understanding of ecological balance and sustainability. The creation and use of terra preta allowed these civilizations to cultivate crops and sustain their societies in the nutrient-poor soils of the rainforest. These findings challenged the notion that the Amazon was an untouched wilderness prior to European contact and highlight the significant impact that pre-Columbian societies had on their environment. The ability of these ancient peoples to shape and adapt the landscape, as well as their sophisticated social and economic systems, underscores their ingenuity and resilience. However, much of this knowledge was lost or forgotten due to the impact of colonization and subsequent environmental changes. These findings challenge the notion that the Amazon was an untouched wilderness prior to European contact and highlight the significant impact that pre-Columbian societies had on their environment. The ability of these ancient peoples to shape and adapt the landscape, as well as their sophisticated social and economic systems, underscores their ingenuity and resilience. However, much of this knowledge was lost or forgotten due to the impact of colonization and subsequent environmental changes. Today, ongoing research and collaboration with indigenous communities are crucial in uncovering and preserving the rich history of these ancient civilizations. Understanding their achievements and contributions provides valuable insights into the complex interplay between humans and the environment, offering lessons that are increasingly relevant as we face contemporary challenges in sustainability and conservation. The Amazon rainforest is often described as one of the most prolific sources of medicinal resources on the planet. Its vast biodiversity includes an astonishing array of plant species, many of which have evolved unique chemical compounds with potential therapeutic properties. The forest is not only a treasure trove of medicinal plants, but also a key to understanding how nature can offer solutions to a wide range of health issues. Indigenous peoples of the Amazon have long been stewards of this botanical wealth, utilizing the forest's plants for a variety of medicinal purposes. Traditional knowledge, passed down through generations, includes the use of herbs, roots, and barks to treat ailments ranging from infections to chronic conditions. For example, the bark of the cinchona tree, native to the Amazon, was historically used to treat malaria, leading to the development of quinine, one of the first effective anti-malarial drugs. Modern science is beginning to validate and expand upon this traditional knowledge. Researchers are increasingly turning to the Amazon to discover novel compounds that could lead to new pharmaceuticals. For instance, the rosy periwinkle, Catharanthus roseus which grows in the rainforest, has been found to contain alkaloids that are critical in the treatment of leukemia and lymphoma. Similarly, compounds extracted from the Haplopappus plant are being studied for their potential in treating cancer. Moreover, the Amazon's medicinal plants often contain complex chemical structures that are difficult to replicate synthetically. These compounds, such as those found in the cinchona or the guarana plant, offer unique mechanisms of action that can be harnessed for drug development. The plant strychnos known to indigenous people as a treatment for neurological disorders, has led to research into its active compounds, which could offer new treatments for conditions like Parkinson's disease. Another fascinating area of research involves antimicrobial and antiviral properties. Many Amazonian plants possess natural compounds that inhibit the growth of bacteria and viruses, potentially offering new avenues for combating antibiotic-resistant infections. For example, the asterisk bark of the lapacho tree asterisk, used by indigenous communities, has shown promise in preclinical studies for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. The Amazon also presents an opportunity for discovering compounds with applications beyond pharmaceuticals. For example, the asterisk Nim tree asterisk, used traditionally by indigenous people as a natural pesticide, contains compounds that could be utilized in sustainable agricultural practices. However, the potential medical benefits of these plants are at risk due to ongoing deforestation and habitat loss in the Amazon. Each species that disappears represents a loss of potential treatments and remedies that might not be discovered in time. This underscores the importance of both preserving the rainforest and fostering partnerships between scientists and indigenous communities to ensure that traditional knowledge is not lost and that the forest's medical resources are utilized sustainably. Incorporating traditional knowledge with modern scientific methods could accelerate the discovery of new medicines and contribute to the development of innovative treatments. Additionally, safeguarding the Amazon's biodiversity ensures that future generations will continue to benefit from its remarkable medicinal resources. The Amazon rainforest, with its dense foliage and intricate ecosystems, is not only a hub of biological diversity, but also a site of intriguing and mysterious phenomena that continue to captivate scientists and explorers alike. These enigmatic occurrences range from unexplained sounds and optical illusions to unique environmental processes that challenge our understanding of nature. One such phenomenon is the bloop, a mysterious low-frequency underwater sound detected in the Atlantic Ocean by hydrophones in the late 1990s. While the exact origin of the sound remains uncertain, it has sparked various hypotheses. Some speculate that it could be linked to the Amazon's unique environmental interactions. For instance, the dense rainforest contributes to the carbon cycle and impacts oceanic processes through its massive water cycle, which could potentially influence underwater acoustics. However, more conventional explanations suggest that the sound might be associated with natural phenomena, such as ice quakes or underwater volcanic activity, rather than direct rainforest interactions. Another enigmatic aspect is the phenomenon of forest whispers, where indigenous communities report hearing unusual sounds or voices in the forest. These whispers are often interpreted as spiritual or supernatural occurrences, but are also subject to scientific investigation. Some researchers are exploring the possibility that these sounds could be attributed to the unique acoustic properties of the rainforest, where sounds are altered by the dense canopy and the interplay of various natural elements. This creates a complex acoustic environment where even subtle noises can be amplified or distorted. The Amazon is also home to bioluminescent organisms, which contribute to its mystical atmosphere. Certain fungi, insects, and marine organisms exhibit bioluminescence, emitting light through biochemical reactions. In the forest, bioluminescent fungi create an otherworldly glow on decaying wood, while fireflies light up the night sky in mesmerizing patterns. This bioluminescence serves various ecological purposes, such as attracting mates or deterring predators, and adds to the rainforest's reputation for mystery and wonder. The phenomenon of synchronous fireflies is another intriguing natural occurrence. In specific regions of the Amazon, large groups of fireflies synchronize their flashing patterns in unison, creating spectacular light displays. This behavior, which involves precise timing and coordination among thousands of individuals, is thought to be related to mating rituals and is still not fully understood. The synchronization might be influenced by environmental factors such as temperature and humidity, which highlights the complexity of the rainforest's ecosystem. Additionally, the Amazon's unique weather patterns, such as the formation of flying rivers, add to its enigmatic reputation. These are vast plumes of water vapor that flow through the atmosphere, originating from the rainforest's transpiration processes. These airborne water sources can influence weather patterns and contribute to the rainforest's role in global climate regulation. The interaction between these flying rivers and atmospheric conditions can lead to unexpected weather phenomena and regional climatic effects. Lastly, the Amazon's ecosystem itself holds mysteries related to its resilience and adaptability. The forest's ability to recover from disturbances, such as fires or floods, involves complex ecological processes that are not yet fully understood. For instance, certain plant species can rapidly recolonize areas affected by deforestation, suggesting intricate ecological dynamics that help the rainforest maintain its balance despite significant environmental changes. These enigmatic phenomena reflect the Amazon's role as a source of natural wonder and scientific curiosity. They underscore the importance of continued research and conservation efforts to unravel the mysteries of this vital ecosystem while preserving its unique biodiversity and ecological functions. The Amazon rainforest, with its lush vegetation and complex ecosystems, is home to a variety of fascinating but potentially dangerous animals. These creatures have evolved unique adaptations that make them effective predators, protectors, or survivalists in this competitive environment. Here's a look at some of the most dangerous animals found in the Amazon.